The PWIS NCERT books are a series of study materials designed specifically for competitive exam aspirants. They cover the entire NCERT syllabus from class 6 to 12. Okay, so this is the one-stop solution books that you can go for. It is available in both the formats, in printed formats and as well as in digital formats. So if you want to purchase these books, you can purchase it from the PW store. And if you want to go for the what you call for the digital formats, you can most probably download it from there as well. Okay, the content quality is excellent, the books are well organized, and the language of the book is very easy to understand. The authors have done a great job of simplifying the complex subjects, just like economics, and complex topics are very easily described in this book. So when you will go through this, you won't find it difficult to understand. Okay, the concepts are covered in a very precise and concise manner, and also in a very easy language that you can understand, and it won't be difficult for you. As you can see that I have already read this book several times now, and even I want to read this book again. Some of the notable features that I really loved about the book is comprehensive coverage of the NCERT. Like, I don't think after reading this book you really need to go back to 6th class NCERT or 7th class NCERT. You would have to read this book only once or multiple times. You would have to read this book and not going back to those basic NCERTs of 6 to 12. And even it has also, these PWOnlyIAS has also provided you with what you call these workbooks for economy and science and tech, or even other subjects as well. I'll show you in a while, just a second. So basically it covers all of your it covers topics comprehensively, and it has also provided us with topic wise MCQs, practice questions for each chapter. Okay, so it means you need not to go through any if you want to practice some questions, you don't need to search it on the web or do any other additional job. You will get practice questions as well in this, so that will really help you understand the topic, or it will also help you build your conceptual clarity and even understand like whether you were able to understand the topics or not. Okay, I would suggest you reading the book first at least once, and the second time you read the book, then only go on solving questions, because when we are reading first time, we do not actually understand the concepts, but when we read it second time or third time, we really understand the concepts very well. And the third thing about this book is the mind mapping thing that they have provided. Like, every topic has a mind map, every topic has pictures, so it does not make the book boring. Okay, so if you are not able to understand any particular topic, you will also you will read out those particular topics, you will understand that, and you will also have these mind map kind of thing. Okay, like this we have. And even they have I saw it on PW store that they have launched some mind mapping books as well. I am going to purchase those books as well. If you want me to review them as well, then definitely I'll be doing that as well, but I have not purchased that so far. Okay, so you can see that they have provided mind maps as well, so that it becomes very easy to retain or correlate any particular concept. In my opinion, I would tell you that if you are really starting your preparation, you should really start your preparation reading these books. And eventually, if you feel like, no, I have not been able to understand any particular concept, or any particular concept has not gotten into my mind, then only you can purchase the basic NCERTs of 6 to 12. As I have not started world history yet, I will be soon starting it, and I have read I usually find geography, or you can say history, very difficult. But while reading it for the second or third time I was reading it from the book, I was really able to, you know, grasp all the concepts. Like, let's say this is art and culture. Art and culture is very difficult, right? But when I was reading it with these books, I was able to understand all the concepts, and even I was able to, you know, relate. I was able to mark all of those important things, and even I have found a lot of questions being asked in the exam as well, in the previous year questions, in the PYQs of UPSC or any state service examinations. So overall, talking about these books, I find these books very helpful in my preparation. Like, if you can see that I have read these books, I have highlighted these, and not just the first time, I have read these books multiple times, and even I am reading it like all over again and again, because, you know, to build conceptual clarity you have to read books a lot of times. And overall, I'm impressed with the PWOnlyIAS NCERT books. They are the great resources for the student who are preparing for competitive exams. If you're looking for a comprehensive and well-structured study material, then I would highly recommend you checking out these books. These books are available for all the basic NCERTs, and it has comprehensively covered all the basics that we need to know for the preparation of UPSC. So it starts with world history and post independence India, then we have modern history, then we have physical geography, and as you can see, they have also mentioned the NCERT that they have inculcated in this. And it is like, I can say that this is comprehensive. I have purchased 6 to 12 NCERTs for what you call geography, and I think I have read only 11th class NCERT, and I could find that all of those materials, that whatever is given in that is given in this as well. So I would always highly recommend you guys to go through this only. Then we have this art and culture as well, and then we have science and technology, and you can see it is comprehensively covering 6th class NCERT. This is, I think, the 12th class. This is 11th, this is 12th. So yeah, then we have this polity as well. Then we have Indian society. I don't know what kind of NCERT we have in this. I haven't purchased that, and I have read several topics of this book with this I have read several topics of this book. I honestly do not find Indian society very interesting, so I have not gone through this. Then we have modern history, as I already discussed. Then we also have economy is here. Then we also have ancient and medieval history. Okay, and then we have human geography. So all of these are the basic NCERT of 6 to 12, one-stop solution for you guys. And then we have these workbooks, NCERT workbooks. I think they have, just a second. Then we have NCERT workbooks. This is polity and modern India, art and culture, post independence India, same format, basic MCQs, and even subjective questions as well, so that you can know where to start the question, how to start the question, so that you can understand as well, right? Also given some diagrams are also given here, so that you can understand how we have to use mapping, or how we have to, you know, draw maps in questions. And then ancient and medieval India. Then we also have geography and environment. Again, let's check inside. Again, objective questions of every single topic. Okay, this really helps you build your conceptual clarity and understand where do you stand in your preparation journey, like whether you have understood the concept or not. So if you are not able to solve the question, you have to read that particular concept again. Then we have economy and science and tech. So these are the workbooks that we have to refer to after reading this summary books. So I would highly recommend you guys to purchase these books only, rather than going through the basic 6 to 12 NCERT. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you have any further questions regarding these books, then you can definitely mention it in the comment below, so that I can revert back to you. I will be happy to help you in your preparation journey. Thank you so much for watching this video.